Congratulations on purchasing the best electrotherapy device in the market. You've made your first step to living pain-free. Now let's learn how to use a device that has been helping thousands of people achieve a better quality of life with astonishing pain relief results. This product is absolutely life-changing, and we are committed to offering people around the world only a product that is powerful, safe, and most of all, a product that truly produces results. Before using the Wellnesspro Electrotherapy unit, please refer to the indications, contraindications, and precautionary instructions inside of the user manual. Your Wellnesspro package contains the following: a Wellnesspro frequency generator, universal power adapter, 4 lead wires, 2 rectangular and 2 carbon rubber electrodes, 4 self-adhesive electrodes, and 4 snap-on wire adapters, as well as 4 rectangular ProPulse HD high-dispersion self-adhesive electrodes, 1 large and 2 small wellness wraps, salt-free hypoallergenic conductivity gel, user manual, and pain relief auto code booklet. Important note: make sure to register your unit in order to be eligible for your 3-year replacement warranty. You can easily register online at www.electromedtech.com or by fax. Please refer to warranty information in your package. Begin by plugging the Wellnesspro AC adapter into the back of the unit and then into a wall outlet. To power up the unit, press and hold the power button for a few seconds. When the unit is powered up, the display window will show EMT Wellnesspro 2010, followed by Ready. On the unit display, following information is shown. Code displays the 3-digit auto code that you selected. It is also used to display your custom codes as well as single-channel numbers. Frequency. Field displays the current frequency in Hertz generated by the unit. Time. Field displays the amount of minutes necessary to complete the displayed frequency. Total time. Displays and counts the total amount of time for all programmed frequencies within the auto code. Lead intensity level. Shows the output power of lead A and lead B, 0 being the minimum and 99 maximum. Numerical buttons on the keyboard are used for entering auto codes, frequencies, time, wave types, memory slots, and single codes. The Hertz button is used when you want to select your own frequency. The Clear button resets the program display for your next program. After pressing this button, the unit will go to Ready mode. The Delete button removes numbers entered by mistake. It also skips through program frequencies when pressed within the running program. To select a frequency pattern stored in memory, press the Auto button followed by desired memory slot. After selecting Auto or Single code, press the Start button to begin desired program. The Code button is used to store your own frequencies in the memory of the Wellnesspro. Intensity level buttons are used for increasing and decreasing the output levels on side A or side B. Pressing buttons A and B simultaneously will turn the sound on and off, but this only works when the unit is in Ready mode. Unit can be used with 2 or 4 wires. It can also be used on 2 patients at the same time, where one patient is connected to side A and other to side B. You can use any of the following accessories: handheld cylinders especially designed for the patient with arthritis pain, Wellnesspro carbon rubber electrodes, any Wellnesspro self-adhesive electrodes, or the new ProPulse HD high-dispersion self-adhesive electrodes. Self-adhesive electrodes. In this first example, we will use self-adhesive electrodes. Attach the lead wires to the unit with the shielded angle end into side A like this. If you choose to use 4-point stimulation, attach the other 2 lead wires to side B. Using the non-shielded side of the lead wire, attach the white snap-on connector wires to the non-shielded end of the lead wire. Attach the round part of the white snap-on connector to the electrode on the electrode sheet first. Carefully remove the connected electrode from the sheet. Do not pull on the wire. Place the electrode on desired location. Repeat the same procedure for another electrode. Minimum of 2 wires are required to close the circuitry and feel the stimulation. When using 2 wires, both of the wires must be connected on side A or side B. Do not connect one lead wire to side A and other to side B. Carbon rubber electrodes. This type of electrode is very useful because you can wash them and use them over and over again. All you need to do is apply the conductivity gel on the black surface of the electrode and affix the electrode to your desired area. Then, using the elastic Wellnesspro wrap provided inside of the package, affirm them in place. Although there are many accessories available in the market today for electrotherapy, we recommend to only use the official Wellnesspro accessories for best results. Cylinders. This last accessory we will show you is very simple to use for treating pain in the joints of your hands. Instead of placing electrodes on every joint, you can simply hold these cylinders and treat every joint in your hands. Frequencies will also flow through your elbows and shoulders. To begin, connect the non-shielded end of your lead wires to the sockets at the end of your cylinders. Start your program and simply adjust the intensity that is most comfortable for you. Electrode placement. Attention! Electrode placement shown in this chapter is for example purposes only. Consult your practitioner for placements related to your needs. Arthritis pain, back pain, shoulder or upper arm pain, upper leg pain, lower leg pain, operating instructions. Make sure the lead wires are connected to the Wellnesspro unit and electrodes are in desired place of stimulation. Make sure both lead wires, black or gray, are connected into either side A or side B. To select one of the pre-programmed auto codes, press Auto, followed by 3-digit auto code, then press Start. To see the list of all available pain relief auto codes, consult the booklet included in the package. Attention! The codes in the booklet are made for your convenience. Some codes may be more effective than others. This is why you have the flexibility to choose and create your own set of codes that work best for you. After pressing Start button, the treatment has begun. Now increase the intensity level by pressing buttons A high or B high, depending on the output socket used on the unit. Remember, adjust the intensity level that is most comfortable for you. After each frequency, you will hear short melody alerting you that the unit will change the frequency. Since all frequencies are different, as a safety feature, unit will reduce output power. If necessary, increase the lead intensity to desired level as shown earlier. You can use the Wellnesspro unit in 4 different ways. You can select pre-programmed auto codes as shown earlier. You can use single codes, sometimes referred to as single channels. You can create custom programs, or you can choose custom frequencies. To run a single code or channel, do the following. Press the Select button. Enter channel will appear on the screen. As an example, we will use code 28. Press 2, 8 on the numeric keyboard, then press Start. A list of the frequencies attached to a single code are located in the user manual. Your display should look like this, showing the previously mentioned fields. Programming instructions. Custom codes can be programmed in two ways, using single codes or using frequencies. To create a custom program using single codes and store it in the memory, please follow these steps. Press Code. Enter memory slot will appear on the screen. As an example, we will use memory slot 3. Press the number 3 using the numeric keyboard. Press Select. Choose the desired single codes, ranging from 1 to 250. We will choose 28 and 50 for this example. Enter 28 and press Select. Enter 50 as mentioned before and finish programming by pressing Code. You can also finish programming by pressing the Start button. In that case, your program will start immediately. To create a custom program using frequencies and store it in the memory, please follow these steps. This example will show you how to store frequencies 15, 220, and 756.87 Hz in memory slot number 5. To start the programming procedure, press the Code button. Enter memory slot will appear on the display screen. Since we are using memory slot 5, press the number 5 using the numeric keyboard. Press Hertz button. Enter frequency will appear on the screen. Enter 1500 using the numeric keyboard. Please keep in mind that the last two digits are decimal points. So our example of 1500 is the frequency of 15 Hz. Press Select. Now, enter time 1 to 15 minutes will appear on the display. Enter the desirable running time for the frequency. Frequencies can have the same time values for the whole program or can have different values from 1 to 15 minutes. Press Select. Now we need to choose one of the 5 output wave types. In this example, we will choose wave type number 1, so press 1 on the keyboard. Now we will repeat the same steps for the next frequency in our example. Press Hertz button. Enter frequency will appear on the screen. Press 22000 using the numeric keyboard. Again, please keep in mind that the last two digits are decimal points, so our example of 22000 is actually the frequency of 220 Hz. Press Select. Now, enter time 1 to 15 minutes will appear on the display. Enter the desirable running time for the frequency. Once again, frequencies can have the same time values for the whole program or can have different values from 1 to 15 minutes. Press Select to go to the next step. You will be prompted to enter one of the 5 output wave types. For this example, we will choose wave type number 2, so press 2 on the keyboard. Once again, we will repeat the same steps for the last frequency in our example. Press Hertz button. Enter frequency will appear on the screen. Enter 75687 using the numeric keyboard. Now we already know that the last two digits are decimal points. So our example of 75687 is actually the frequency of 756.87 Hz. Press Select. Now, enter time 1 to 15 minutes will appear on the display. Enter the desirable running time for the frequency. Frequencies can either have the same values for the whole program or can have different values from 1 to 15 minutes. Press Select. Again, we need to choose one of the 5 output wave types. This time we will choose wave type number 3. To complete programming, press Code. You can also finish programming by pressing the Start button. In that case, the program will start immediately after programming is done. If you want to run a program in this example, simply press Auto, 5, Start. Remember that you have to increase the intensity level to your comfort zone by pressing intensity control buttons. At the end of any program, you will hear a short series of tones indicating that your session has ended. The unit will go back into ready mode. When you're creating custom codes, make sure that you don't exceed the memory limit. The maximum number of single codes that you can store in one memory slot is 48, and maximum number of frequencies is 24. This completes the instructions for use of the Wellnesspro. Remember to consult your doctor prior to beginning electrotherapy treatment.